So I've actually redone my living room to have a more rustic farmhouse type feel, and Vevor sent over this coffee table in exchange for this video, and I just finished putting it together, and honestly I am super obsessed with it. It's got this really pretty two-tone look. It's got a white base with a walnut type top on it, so it totally gives that cozy rustic vibe, but still looks modern too. And what I love most is that the top actually lifts up so I can pull it toward me when I'm working on my laptop or eating on the couch, and it feels super sturdy. The lift mechanism is smooth and quiet, so it doesn't creak or make any crazy noises, or it doesn't even slam or pinch your fingers, which I love, of course, especially if you have kids. And then inside, it has more storage. There's two hidden compartments under the top, an open shelf, and even a little barn door that slides open that has an adjustable shelf inside. It's perfect for hiding away remotes or blankets, games for game night, puzzles, just random living room stuff that I don't want out all the time. And the whole table feels super solid. The top has a nice waterproof, scratch resistant finish, so I don't even have to worry about setting our drinks on it or my hot coffee. It's just one of those pieces that looks cute, but it's actually practical for my family. And putting it together was way easier than we expected. I love it. I hope you do too, and I hope this video helps.